Using the tools of astronomy and the texts within the Great Library, he calculated the circumference of the globe.
Born in Cyrene around 276 BCE, Eratosthenes was a student of the Stoics, a man of profound and diverse curiosity. He studied in Athens, mastering philosophy, poetry, and mathematics, disciplines he refused to keep separate.
His reputation for universal learning reached the Ptolemaic court, beckoning him to the epicenter of knowledge. He was summoned to Alexandria, the cultural capital of the world, to serve a destiny as grand as his ambition.
As the chief librarian, he oversaw the largest repository of human knowledge, nicked as better, the second best at everything.
Yet, among the hundreds of thousands of scrolls, one captured his unique genius, a simple observation from the south.
In Siene, on the summer solstice, the sun cast no shadow. The light fell vertically into the deepest wells. But in Alexandria, nearly due north, the sun cast a distinct shadow. Eratosthenes realized the earth was not flat.
Using the gnomon, he measured the shadow's angle at exactly 1/50th of a full circle, 7.2 degrees.
This angle, he correctly reasoned, represented the curvature of the Earth between the two cities.
He needed the distance. He employed bematists, highly trained surveyors, to walk the thousands of stadia between the 2 points.
The distance was determined to be 5,000 stadia, a journey that required immense human effort and incredible stamina.
The calculation was elegant. Multiply the distance by 50. The result was 250,000 stadia.
His calculation translated to approximately 40,000 kilometers, an error of only 1 to 2% from modern measurements. Eratosthenes had, for the first time in history, accurately measured the circumference of the entire planet.
He was the first to use a coordinate system, dividing the Earth into measurable, rational zones. His triumph in measurement led him to create a revolutionary world map, integrating his new, accurate size of the Earth.
He was also an accomplished astronomer, accurately calculating the tilt of the Earth's axis, known as the obliquity of the ecliptic. His principles guided later Greek instruments, helping to predict planetary and solar movements with staggering accuracy. His encyclopedic mind extended to poetry and philosophy, earning him a second nickname, Pentathlos, a master of many skills. In pure mathematics, he invented the sieve, a simple yet brilliant method for isolating prime numbers.
He was the first to establish a rational chronology of the world's major events after the Trojan War, creating a framework for history.
Eratosthenes saw the cosmos as an ordered, knowable system, rejecting mystical explanations for geometric solutions.
He passed down not only data, but a method that the world, no matter how vast, can be measured and understood by the power of human reason.
For centuries, his work was the definitive text on the Earth's size, yet much of it was lost to time and the destruction of the library.
His principles, however, endure, forming the foundation of modern cartography and navigation.
The genius of his method lies in its elegance, using only shadows, wells, and basic geometry to achieve a cosmic truth.
We remember him as the father of geography, the man who first gave humanity a correct sense of its home.
He reconciled the philosophical cosmos with the practical, measurable world, bridging the mind and the material.
His work is a testament to the power of observation, that the greatest truths often lie hidden in the simplest phenomena.
Eratosthenes of Cyrene, scholar, poet, mathematician, and the first to prove the Earth was a measurable sphere. The measurement of the Earth began not with a machine, but with a shadow and the unyielding curiosity of a single man.